In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to mention someone in Telegram story. This acknowledges their involvement, gives them recognition, and creates a sense of connection. To do this, simply head to your Telegram. You want to tap right here to add story. Now let's say this is the story you wish to mention in someone, simply tap on add a caption. Now onto your keyboard, start by @ and then write the name of the person you want to mention. Once done, press on next to customize on who you wish to see this story. Tap on post story. The mentioned person will receive a notification that they have been mentioned in your story. Well, that's how easy it is to mention someone on Telegram story. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.